Right, so hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to open any file with command prompt. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to you're going to open command prompt, but you're going to run as administrator. So type in cmd in your search bar, right click, run as administrator, click on yes. Okay, so here now we want to navigate to the file first. So we're going to open our explorer. We're going to try to open this, okay, but without adding the path, it won't know where's the file, so we have to add the path. Okay, so we're going to go into this PC, local disk C, users. We're going to go to my main account, Technoright. Then we're going to go to desktop because the file is on my desktop. Okay, and then you can see here the path here. You're just going to click on here, copy, Control C, and paste it here. Okay, now we are going to open this. So we need to type the exact name. I'm going to right click on this, properties, and you're also going to see the file format, which is .png. So click OK. Here you're going to / image.png. Make sure the name is the exact same, guys. Make sure you follow the capitalization as well, and click on enter, and bam, the image open. So that's all for this video, guys. You can use this to even open applications and it'll work fine. So yeah, thanks for watching, folks.